we have called this press conference to emphasize our position as a party and as an opposition that the new property tax regime proposed by the government is untenable and cannot be allowed to stand. The burden imposed on the people, all the people, by this new property tax regime is too great. We must consider that, first of all, the government currently collects about $6 billion from property tax. What they are proposing is to raise the collections by 66%, by 2/3, in the course of 1 year. And it is the extent of this increase that they are seeking, which in fact makes this particular tax regime oppressive, bearing in mind also that it comes against the background of tax increases already announced in relation to fuel, motor vehicle taxes, electricity, health insurance premiums, and the like. It is a burden that is literally impossible to bear, especially for critical groups in the society, including our pensioners, our small businesses, our agricultural producers, and tenants who live or operate from rental properties. The fact is that overall, the tax arrangements that have been announced by the Minister of Finance in the budget package and now added to in this property tax package are anti-business generally. They raise the operating costs for businesses unduly and are going to certainly have a negative impact on critical sectors, agriculture we mentioned, tourism, particularly the small hotels to which Dr. McNeil will speak, and the BPO sector, among others, manufacturers and all the others, not to mention the effect that it is having on citizens generally, especially those who are seeking to purchase property or those who live in rental properties.